Hello, welcome to Tekla Structures Design course 2024. Okay, we are in module 3 part 2. Okay, in the last part we created some errors. Okay, and we are starting the process of clearing those errors one by one. In this part we are going to be clearing support errors and warning. All right, now the first support error we created in the last part was deleting this support for the columns. And then the second one was this raised support here. So to solve this problem now, first of all, I'll go to my model tab and click on validate. So now I'll go to I'll go to member may not be supported, right click and highlight. So now Tekla Structures Designer automatically helps me to highlight those members that may not be supported. So how do I solve this problem? I have two options. My first option is I can go to another column, click on the support for that column, go to my edit tab and copy the support of that column to this column, and click cancel. All right. So the second solution will be to create a new support here. So I'll go to my model tab, go to the miscellaneous panel and click on support. So I want all the supports to be fixed, which is perfect. So I'll come to the node under the column and click. So another support will be created. So with this now, we've successfully cleared the member may not be supported error. Now if we validate, you see that is no longer showing in our status tab. Now let's move to clear the second error. Raise support providing lateral restraint. Now there are two aspects of this error. The first part is, let's say you are modeling column on different floors. When columns are on different let's say you are modeling a stepped foundation, but we have a structure where one side is on the basement side and the other side is on the ground floor side. The foundation is on the basement, on the ground floor. So in that case, you may need supports at both the ground floor level and at the basement level. All right. But in the second case, when you have a column resting on another beam and you make the support and you make the base level of that column to be at, let's say, the first floor, then you must delete the support to clear the raised support error. So I can do that now. I'll select the support and delete it. So now once I go back and click on validate again, you can see that error is no longer appearing in my status bar. So with that now we've cleared the two errors. Member may not be supported, and raised support providing lateral restraint. Thank you.